Right, so anyway, this is our Pasta Queen pasta maker. And we got it for free from a friend, but it didn't come with the crank or the clamp to clamp her down. So we went on Amazon and we ordered these from this company, and I'm hoping that they work. So we're gonna open them up and see if they will work on this Pasta Queen. All right, so let's go ahead and get them out of here. It's just two things. One's the clamp right here, so you clamp that, and the other is the crank. So let's try these two things and see if they work. Before you can do any pasta, you gotta put the clamp in. So I'm thinking that this will go right in like that, and then I just clamp it down. So first of all, I gotta get it, I gotta get it tighter. So when I turn it to the right like this, that tightens it. You see how it's extending itself? So let's see how much we need. Here's the thing. Oh yeah, we're pretty close. That goes in there like that. And then I just got to turn it here. I just turn it just like that. So that's fitting in there good. And I just turn it, and then it just locks it down. Bam, that's locked down now. This won't move. Now the crank, you notice, see how it's got like a little thing, it just goes in like that. And look, this is back, this is forward, this squeezes out the pasta, and this reverses it in case you get in trouble. Over here you got the fettuccine, right? That makes the fettuccine. And over here you got the spaghetti. So that's gonna work great. Look at that. That's gonna be so much easier. We were using a screwdriver yesterday because we didn't have this crank. We could have used this crank yesterday morning. Anyway, that's how that works. And to get it off of here, I just got to go the opposite direction I went, which would be this way. And I just got to get it loosened up. I'm not going to loosen it all the way because I want it right about to where it will fit. So that's it right there, bam. And the name of this is, that's the name, and it works perfect with the Pasta Queen. So you guys give it a shout, try it out, get them on Amazon. Peace out.